I gave you my view on the situation concerning the conflict resolution in Nagorno-Karabakh. Basically, it is very important that the parties now, Azerbaijan and Armenia, talk to each other. This is really important. Very often it is said that if the parties can agree, then everybody can agree on a solution. Then you have co-chairman of the Minsk process. This is an OSCE instrument also. I was co-chairman myself 95-96, so I have some understanding to the position of the co-chair. They are very often criticized that they cannot bring about the result, but they are also there to assist, not to impose anything. And if you take the countries which are represented by the co-chair, Russia, US, France, I think it's a very strong team and should be able to advise. All in all, after the presidential elections, I assume that the talks will restart really in an active phase. But in a way it is important that before the elections, like the foreign ministers tomorrow, that they will meet. This will show that the process is going on.